Hello everyone, my name is Shyamji and today I am going to solve the problem that is the problem number 392 on Leetcode and is subsequence. So the problem is given to string yes and t, return true if yes is a subsequence of t or false otherwise. So first question is what is subsequence? So subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some can be none of the characters without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. So let's understand with a example. So in the first test case, we have given a string t that is a, h, b, g, d, c. So if I remove some characters can be 0 or more. So I will remove H, then I will remove D, and then I will remove B. So it will become A, B, C, and it is actually yes. So I can say that yes is a subsequence of T because the order of like A is before B. So here A is also before B, and C is after the B. So here C is after the B. So order is also the same, and after deleting some characters, we got the yes string. So yes is subsequence of T. And in the next test case, like we have given the string that is A, H, B, G, D, C, and the yes substring is A, H, C. So C is in the last, C is in the last, and A is in starting, A is starting, but X is not present in the T string. So it cannot be the subsequence of T because after deleting some character of the T string, if we get the yes string, so it will become subsequence of the string T, otherwise not. So if I remove some character of the string, so if X is not available in that string T, so how can I get the X character? So it is not the subsequence of the string. So what approach can we use here? So let's try with a test case. So we have given A, H, B, D, G, C. It is our string T, and S is equal to A, B, C. So we know that we can remove some character of the string T can be 0 or more. So if we take two pointer like are checking the order and value of the string. So first pointer point to the T string and the second pointer point to the S string. So if I check if our A and this A is equal, so I will move to the next element. So it will point here and it will point here. It is not equal, so I will move T because I can think that this character will be deleted from this string. Okay, so I will move to the next because if I delete it, so what will become my string? A, B, D, G, C. So we can skip this, and now I will check if our this element and this element is equal. Yes, B is equal to B. So I will move both pointers to the next element. So it will point to here. Now I will check D is equal to C. No, it is not equal. So I can think that our D will be also deleted. So I will move to the next element. Now I will check D is equal to C. No, it is not equal. So I can again think that our D will also be deleted. So I will move to the next element. Now I will check C is equal to C. So I'll move to the next, and now it is out of the bound. So I can return true. and before returning it to, I will check if I have checked for the all element of the string. Yes, because let's suppose I am reached at the last, but I have not find character C, because if I remove C from here, and now I will check that for C I will move to the last, but still I am not finding C. So before returning to, I will check that if I reach at the last in the string yes, so I will return that it is true, otherwise false. So let's understand the code. So this is a code. So first I will check that if a length of yes is equal to 0, so I will return true, because I don't need to check in the string. If still I am checking, then I also will get the same output. So I don't need to traverse the T string completely. So I will before check that if the length of the yes is equal to 0, then I will return true. Now I will start a pointer in yes like s1 and in t1. So I will check that if s1 is less than s dot length and t1 is less than t dot length, because if any of the pointer move to the last of the string, so I cannot check equality. So now I will check if yes is yes dot char at s1 is equal to t dot char at t1. So I will get a character from t and also a character from yes. Now I will check that if it is equal, then I will move s1 pointer and t1 pointer. If it is not equal, so I will also move t1 pointer, but I will not move s1 pointer. So this is the approach, and now I will check if s1 is equal to s dot length, means s1 is reached at the end, so I will return true. If it is not reached at the end, because any character that I have not found, so I will return false. So let's understand with another test case, so it will be clear. So if I have given the string as A, B, D, C, G, and yes is equal to A, B, E, F. So if I start try run up the it, so our length of yes is not equal to 0, so I will not return anything. Now I will start a pointer here, and yes. So I will check s1 is s1 dot char at s1, s dot char at s1 is equal to t dot char at t1. Yes, a is equal to a, so I will move s1 pointer to here. Now I will move t1 pointer to here. Now I will check if b is equal to b. Yes, so I will move this pointer here and this pointer here. Now I will check e is equal to d. No, it is not equal. So I will only move over this pointer. So this pointer will go to E. Now I will check it is equal. Yes, it is equal. So I will move to the next element, and it is also to the next element. Now I will check if G is equal to E. Yep. No, it is not equal. So I will move over T1 pointer. So it will go to the, and like in the 5. So it will go to the 5. So T1 extended 5, and our yes, that is pointing to F. So it is pointing to the index 3. So now I will check if S1 is reached at the S dot length, means it has traversed all elements. So it is at 3, and length of the S is 4, means it is not reached at the end, means any character that is not present in T. So I will return false. So it will return false. So this is the code. So let's consider the time complexity of this problem. So we are iterating through the each element of T and also of F. So if the length of T is N and length of S is M, so I can say that our time complexity will be order of N plus M. And also I will remove that we are traversing the each element of T and also of S, but some character are equal. So for that character, I will skip that. So I can say that our time complexity will be minus m. So m will be cut, and now our time complexity will be order of m because I am traversing T1. I am increasing T1 each time. But yes, if it is equal, then yes one will be increased. Yes, otherwise not. So I am traversing through the T completely. So it will be order of n and space complexity because I am not using any extra space. So it will be order of n, order of 1. So this is the answer. Thank you.